today we're going to change the light fixture, to LED light. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. Okay. This is to change or replace or whatever you want to do, but this how we put a new ceiling, so basically just gotta put one in. Yeah. You have a unit here. I think you can change color. Yes, you can. You can change it to a black one. And a white one, which I'm going to change into a black one. So it's just lock it in. And you got the light switch here, that light here, so you can change 3000K, 4000K, 5000K. Okay. Light. 5000 is daylight. 4000 is bright white, and soft white. 3000. So I'm gonna put 5000. 2 watt. Okay. That's all you have, 2 watt. One is negative, one is positive. And you got a white and black one over here. White is negative, black is positive. Okay? Just put the bracket on. Nice and simple. Okay, once you got your old thick lighting out, you want to replace with a new light. This one's going to be a little bit longer. I need a little longer screw. Since I fixed that. Make sure you turn off your breaker. I don't want you guys to get shocked. That's just your ground metal. Don't need that. Don't need this anymore. There's the other lights you needed. Need a longer screw, that's all. Cut your screw in. Screw in. Slide it in. Then I just tighten it up. Okay. Now you got that on. Plain and simple. It's only 2 wire. Okay. So I'm gonna put in a 5,000 2 wire right here. Here's the white. And then here's the black, and here's the white wire. Okay. And just connect it. White with white. And the black with black. That's it. Now you want to push it back in. Push it right in. Twist it. Oh. Just twist it. Twist it. And there you go. Get your light. Now you have a choice. That or white. Black or see. Black with copper. We have your white, pure white. And it's just a twist on. Push it in and twist. That's it. Well, let me turn on the light. Let me go change it. Let me go turn on the breaker real quick. Okay, that's how you turn on the light. Watch, I'm going to show you another light. That's how you install color changing flush mount light. You can see sunset right there. And if you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you.